Welcome back, Focus Fanatics. In this video, I'm going to show you a new feature available in version 10.1, 18.05.30. And this new feature basically allows you to remove the guest check area here from the screen. A great option for this is the floor plan, for example. You don't really need to see your guest check on the floor plan, but maybe you need some more real estate because you just need more space to put on more tables. So what you can do now in the latest version is go into your back office and you can go down to your floor plan. And you can go into the Canvas setup here, and there's a new option here for do not display check. Okay, so when I have that set, if I check that and I go to save and you go to close, now you'll see that there's no longer a guest check in this area. So essentially I can take some tables here and I can copy and paste them and I can move them over here. Oh, that's too far. Just leave them there. And then I could name these, whatever. 900, 901, 902, etc. You get the point. So now when I go back and look at my floor plan, you can see that I have a bunch more real estate here to use on the screen. It's also great for kiosks. So if we go and look at our kiosk setup here, and in our standard demo, we have a kiosk setup, and the kiosk main screen is kiosk start. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So if I go down back into my canvases, and I look at kiosk start, let's just go ahead and log in with that employee real quick. It's number 300. If I go in with 300, you can see I've got this check here, but I really don't need it, right? It doesn't look as flashy as it could. So what I can do is I can go into that screen. I can set it to do not display check. You'll see this area here is going to be removed, right? And then I can move these items over to the center of the screen and save. Now this is still going to be here because you need to have the parameters and things for each of the different buttons that you're using. You might want to change the format, but this can be moved as well, so you can move this over here or whatever to work on it. And now if I log back in with number 300, you can see that it looks a lot cleaner. And then the guest check appears on the next screen because on this particular canvas I haven't set it to not display the check. Okay, I hope this new feature benefits both you and your customers, and until next time, stay focused.